So beta, here we have seen yesterday about to the adverbs. In adverbs, there are totally 5 types. From them, we have seen that adverb of manner when the questions asked by how. Then the second one, it was adverb of time. When question asked through the word when, at that time we can say that is the adverb of time. And the third one, adverbs of place. The third one, adverbs of place, show where an action takes place. Now here, adverb of frequency, show how often an action takes place, not for the illustrator make how often like. Example for here is asked that ki Karan goes to the gym regularly. Karan goes to the gym regularly. So how often? So regularly. है ना? Lazily or regularly or sometimes. So it is showing how often he go to school. So Karan goes to the gym regularly. Here so it's question asked by how often means like वो कैसे जाता है? How is going? So that thing has the adverbs of frequency. Then it's not showing. Yeah, okay. Then second, not for the illustrator make how often, he also plays lawn tennis sometimes in the evening. So here also plays how often, वो कैसे खेलता है? Is he playing daily? Is he playing regular? No, so it's showing that he is playing sometimes. So this is also asked by the often. So have we got here beta completely? About to the what about that adverbs of frequency?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then see next one, adverbs of degree, the fifth one. They tell us the degree of an action, adjective or another adverb. They describe to what level something was done. Adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective, adverb or verb that they modify. So here what kind of word can we use here in adverb of degree? So it answers the question how much or to what. So see here it answers the questions how much or 2 words. ऐसे questions के answer जब हम दे रहे हैं which asked by the word how much, at that time we can say that is the adverb of degree. Now see the next examples are given here. Adverb of degree में क्या क्या हो सकता है? So there can be that he is an extremely talented sports person. Then last year he almost won the state level championship. Won to what extent? So here it's in the manner of degree. Now see here, yesterday you have written these 3 things: manner, time, place, frequency and place. Now today you have to make completion of this frequency and degree. Okay, and then so let's see the word in manner. Aditya, read the word of manner.
Ma'am, correctly, quietly, easily, carefully, fast, gently, loudly, quietly.
Okay. Now stop. Now Pahal, the words of time.
Yesterday, now, earlier, tomorrow, later, next week, finally.
Nain Patel will read the word of place.
Downstairs, out there, somewhere, forward, inside, underground.
Yaksh will read the frequency words.
Every hour, daily, usually,
frequently, rarely, often, always.
Often no beta, it's often. It is often only. Okay, T is silent here. Now let's see here in time and frequently. In time and frequently, there's both a little bit same, not completely. हाँ बोलो. Yes.
Ma'am, in adverb of manner table, how it is the fast? It is fastly.
It is not given fastly, but there is given only fast. So we'll use that only fast word. Or even I'll get more information and we'll discuss about that word also. Then frequently, there is frequency, there is given every year, daily, usually, frequently. Then rarely, often, always. And in degree, Het will read, Het Doshi, about the degree.
Almost completely, very hardly, nearly, quite.
Quiet is given there. Quietly also we can write. Okay. Now see here these words are given that. See that's given only quiet in degree, but we can use as quietly also. Okay. Now see here people are shouting. So what will
Loudly.
people are shouting loudly. Yes. So write here answer. Loudly. The first one answer is loudly. Richa answered all the questions.
Correctly.
Yes, very good. Correctly. Yes, correctly. Now the third one, 1 plus 1. This sum could be solved very
Easily.
1 plus 1. Very easy. Yes.
Ma'am, in the D, we can also write fastly. Peter is driving his car too fastly.
No, beta.
Yes.
Fast.
Too fast, ma'am.
Yeah. Only we do not write fastly. Peter is driving his car too
Fast.
The boy is
Walking quietly.
quietly.
Just a minute. Wait. Just continue. Try to find answers.
In second number, underline the adverb and state its kind. A. He drank the hot tea slowly. Time. B. Sunita ran upstairs to frequency. I have to go dentist for a checkup tomorrow. He rarely watches television. Frequently.
Driving his car too fast and the boy is walking quietly. Yeah. Is that clear? Does anyone have any doubt? Just ask.
No, ma'am.
Bolo. Yes, say.
Ma'am, there is adverb of place in the second number.
Richa answered all the questions. Correct.
Ma'am, in the second question, second number.
We have to find out what state of its, that we need to find out. Now see here, there's asked that she drank the hot tea slowly. Now here, which
Adverb of manner. Degree.
Adverb of time.
No, first. बोलना बंद पहले. Stop to speak. First, tell me which word is adverb in this sentence.
Slowly.
Yeah. She drank the hot tea slowly. So first make underline the word slowly. पहले तो slowly word को underline करो.
Okay, ma'am, कर दिया.
Make underline the word slowly. What kind of?
Ma'am, adverb of manner.
Yeah, very good, beta. It's an adverb of manner. Adverb of
manner or
yes, the word slowly, and it is adverb of manner. Now, second sentence. Read.
to write whole adverb of manner, whole or only manner.
Adverb of manner we can write. We will write.
And second is adverb of place. No, ma'am, adverb of place. Ma'am, second
One is when upstairs to shirt they will go. So first tell me.
I'm upstairs. I'm upstairs. Ma'am, adverb of place.
The word upstairs, and upstairs is an adverb of place. Very good. Make underline the word upstairs, and the upstairs is an adverb of place. Done, Jayani?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
third one is
हेलीकॉप्टर flew overhead.
Helicopter flew over. Let me
overhead, ma'am, overhead. Frequency. Place, ma'am. Adverb of place. Adverb of place.
adverb of
Ma'am, frequency.
no frequency.
Ma'am, adverb of place. Place, ma'am, place. Ma'am, adverb of place.
Yes, it is adverb of place, beta. Overhead, it is showing place. वो हमें place show कर रहा है ना? It is showing place. So overhead, that is an adverb of place.
Place.
Now next,
Ma'am, tomorrow.
I have to go to the dentist for a checkup tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes, and tomorrow is adverb of time. Very good. Tomorrow is adverb of time. Got slow.
Ma'am, last one is adverb of Ma'am, rarely. Ma'am,
And the word is
adverb of rarely. Frequency.
Rarely, what is telling you now? Rarely is
Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency.
yes,
Frequency.
and it is frequency. Good.
घुटनी नीचे आया था.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
પહેરી લેવાય કોઈ ના થાય
Beta, please turn off.
મમ્મા પહેરે તો મમ્મા પહેરે છે મમ્મા પહેરે છે.
Ma'am, we have to do third question also.
Yes, we'll do it complete. But the sound is coming lots of. Just remove yourself, Maharshi. Channel.
completed.
બાય મેમ
Turn off your
અલા 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 મમ્મા જેવું જ છે તમારે. બધા સ્કાય બ્લુ છે બધા સ્કાય બ્લુ છે.
Nearly missed time. Nothing was too hot. Something was enough hot.
Rishita, आपका attention कहाँ है? Where's your attention?
यस मैम.
कितना साउंड आ रहा है बेटा वहां से?
अटेंडेंस मैडम.
Turn off yourself, everyone. Now let's see after that. The number 3 question is there. Fill in the blanks with the correct adverb of degree. Now we have to hear which is the adverb of degree that we have to find out and write there. The minister had missing left when you arrived. So just what will come?
Just.
Very good. The minister had just left when you arrived. Very good. So make underline just. Number, he missed the train. He nearly missed the train. Quite missed the train. He nearly missed the train. He nearly missed the train. Now the third one.
The coffee.
Enough.
Ma'am, too.
The coffee was too hot.
Too hot for me drink too. Me too.
Ma'am, enough.
Yash.
Ma'am, too.
Yash.
Ma'am, too.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रही है वहां से.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now see here, there's question that he nearly missed the train. Now third one, the coffee was missing hot for to drink.
Too hot, ma'am. Too hot.
Enough hot for me to drink. What will you use?
Ma'am, too.
Very good.
Too hot.
Too hot for me to drink. Yes. Now next, we had missing reach our destination when it began raining. So what will come? We had completely or almost reached?
Almost.
Ma'am, completely.
Almost.
Almost. We had almost reached. Almost will come. Almost reach our destination.
Then it began raining.
Now next, I'm missing that any time to watch television.
Enough, ma'am. Hardly enough get any time to watch television.
I hardly get any time, beta. Hardly will come. Do not write enough. I have
Hardly.
time to watch television.
Fill in the blanks with and adverbs as.
Everyone. Now let's go on question 4. The old man missing crossed the road. Now here, next we have to adverbs as indicate. Now here how. Okay, so how will we write that the old man missing crossed the road?
Quickly.
Slowly.
Yeah, you can write as per you that the old man slowly crossed the road. You can write whatever you want to mention there. Now the second, the children played missing while it was raining.
I'm in garden. Inside while it was raining.
Outside.
Inside. Garden.
Any place you can write inside also or you can write outside also. You have to show.
Ma'am, no, not outside because it is raining.
So see here, it is showing place. We need to write where. Where means we have to write place name. So any place name will mention.
Garden.
Ma'am, no. How garden? That it was
Ma'am,
raining.
inside.
Ma'am, in home.
Do not write garden. We can write
In garden.
garden. No, just write inside or outside. From both of anyone you can write.
In home.
Outside, ma'am.
चलो, you must complete this work by
today.
yeah.
Today.
Okay.
Today.
I missing participate in athletic meets.
Every year. Ma'am, I missed the early. Ma'am, always. Ma'am, you have missed the C number.
Always.
Ma'am, you have missed the C number question.
Yeah, okay.
Today वो आया ना?
You must complete this work by today. It's come finish तो हो गया बेटा. Now, missing participate in activities. Here you can write something.
Always. I agree. Always.
You can write every year. You can write sometime. You can write rarely. Okay.
Always.
Chalo, now next. This room is large. Missing for all of us. How much?
To leave.
Enough.
Enough.
Enough for all of us.
Large enough for all of us. Yes, very good. You can write.
Enough.
Chalo, now next.
Ma'am,
Walks to
almost. Ma'am, में क्या आएगा?
She daily walks to
school. Yes. Daily.
She quickly walks to
Almost.
Often.
She daily walks.
So she sometimes to school we can write. She daily walks to school also we can write. Sometimes we can write. Okay, usually also we can write. She usually walks to school. This one also we can write. What? Chalo, now next. He placed the boxes.
Ma'am, they in storeroom. Ma'am, in storeroom. Ma'am, in storeroom.
In storeroom.
Storeroom.
Ma'am,
Boxes.
storeroom.
Ma'am, storeroom. Ma'am, storeroom.
Whatever you any place name you have to mention.
Outside.
In storeroom.
Any place you can mention here. What? Next. The hungry children grab the food.
Very fast. Quickly.
Fast. Okay. I will deliver the parcel.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Today. When can we write? When we can extra fast.
Which?
In it, can I write fast?
The hungry children grab the food. Quickly write. Deliver the parcel tomorrow.
Ma'am, by today.
By today also we can write.
Ma'am,
We got the parcel. Oh.
She straight from the fire trip.
Ma'am, very. Ma'am, confusing.
extremely.
Ma'am, very.
Yeah.
Extremely.
She was extremely straight from the fire trip. Very good.
Straight from fire.
मैम ई में क्या आएगा?
Enough.
मैम जे में क्या आएगा?
मैम, जे में क्या आएगा?
She was extremely or a very. From this you can write anyone. Degree.
Can we write very?
We can write.
मैम, सी में और डी में क्या आएगा?
Do not speak too fast.
मैम, सी एंड डी में भी चांसेस.
Just complete this work by today or by tomorrow. You can write any time.
Ma'am, in class 10, which chapter will come?
The chapters of second term. which we have completed.
Ma'am, food. Ma'am, can I write hurriedly in H?
The hungry children grab the food hurriedly. That one also we can write. Hurriedly, quickly, fast. We can mention. Got everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, there is achievement test and diagnostic test also is there of this same chapter. So, okay, so that also I will share. So, before that, now see, what you have to do? Let me share first.
To fill this exercise.
See, complete this exercise in textbook and in notebook, both. The same exercise in textbook and in notebook, both. And then complete this. Yesterday we had written table. In that table, manner, time and place, 3 things we have completed. Now frequency and degree also you have to add over there. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now if any query regarding this you can ask. Or that the same way we have written 2 examples and definition now. That the same way write down the definition of adverb of frequency and adverb of degree, then write 2 examples. That is a.
I have a question.
Speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of extent?
Extents means the content which is given. The questions which asked by how often, in which way, that is as extent. Got Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, any other student have any query?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now see, the test which I will share on Google Form link, that you have to make complete beta. Otherwise your attendance also will be as absent only, because अगर वहाँ पे आपने टेस्ट नहीं दिया है तो मैं आपके मार्क्स कैसे ऐड करूँगी? How will I? So everyone has to submit that Google Form test.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we want to write in notebook, or you will share a link?
No, I will share link only. You can see your marks from there only.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Ma'am, have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.